How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yancymane back with another video. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and tutorial, or I guess not a tutorial, but how to use the Bright Grip Universal Collapsible Grip and Disco Light. Alright. This is one of those cheap, effective, it's fun tech, depending on how you look at it. Alright. As always, I encourage you guys to drop your comments below, comments and questions. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, if you have subscribed to the channel, turn on those notifications for future content. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so it's not much to the packaging. This is the instructions. If you scan the QR code, it'll take you right to the app. I have downloaded the app already, and this is what it's going to look like. Alright, it's the happy lighting. Alright, if you go into it, have your different RGB settings for the device. Other than that, that's it. It shows you how to put on the sock pocket, how to unlock it, things like that, or pocket grip. Alright, real quick, not a whole lot to it. The device itself, sticky double-sided tape, and a very short micro USB cable. Alright, and that's it. So like I said, this is the app. Go into the app, you got different settings to play with. This is noise activated or sound activated. For example, real quick around the device, there's your charging port, micro USB. As you can see, it has 3 different RGB lights. Sock pocket pops out like this. Alright, like I said, pretty straightforward. And then the on and off switches here. So turn it on, and it should be reacting to my voice. Alright, so let's give you an example. Let's see, some music. Alright, as you can see, it's blinking to the rhythm. And you can change that rhythm or the light setting by going to the bottom here. I actually have it on shake to play, or I did. Let's see, where is that setting? So if you go into adjust, you can see like any RGB app or device, you can play the light settings. Alright, or you got the presets, green, red, blue, yellow, and so on. So dim it, brighten it. There's a timer. Oops. There's a timer. You can set the timer for how long you want it on, when you want it to turn on and off. Style. There's a preset for your different color and style. Okay. How fast you want it to change rhythm to the colors. Leave it like mine, kind of in the middle. Tape. This is just your own sound. As you can see, as I speak, it's blinking. So that's pretty much what that is. You can change the the equalizer settings: disco, dynamic, soft, classic, or edit your own settings. Alright. RGB. I leave mine on RGB because I like all the colors. Okay. Let's see. Something else I did earlier. I already did a shake. So if you turn on shake, it should go from track to track on your music if you have music downloaded on your device. Let's see. As you can tell, I haven't had a whole lot of experience with the app. So let's play. There it is.
This right here is 100%. This right here is 100%. Yeah, man, yeah.
That's cool, huh? But I gotta leave it on this one for, of course, copyright reasons. Alright. I'm gonna pause the video and pop it on. Let's see how it works in the dark. Okay, so real quick, for those that don't know how to pop this on, normally you would take some alcohol or alcohol wipe and clean the surface first, but we're not. So peel it off and stick it on. Alright. Like so. It's a little too high. It don't matter, I'm not keeping this. I'm putting my case back on. I guess I could have put it on the case, but my S pen would have been in the way. So anyway. That's how it fit, even with big fingers like mine. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I got it kind of dark just to give you a visual of how it will look. Alright. Imagine this, you're at a party or out where it's kind of, you know, pitch black or dark, and you pull this thing out. It's a conversation piece. And it gives the disco effect. That's nice. Real cool. Alright. Simple, effective tech. Alright guys, again that was the bright grip. I don't see the company that made it somewhere on here. Anyway, you can download the app for Google Play or from the Apple Store. I paid about $10 for it, and I picked it up at Walmart, but I'm pretty sure most, if not all, retailers is going to carry it. It might even be a little bit cheaper on Amazon. I didn't bother to check. I just saw it and wanted to check it out. So, like I said, it's pretty cool. I think it'll make a nice gift, if nothing else. All right. As always, I encourage you guys to drop your questions and comments below, especially if you think it's something I missed or something I forgot to mention about the device. Turn on notifications for future videos, and subscribe. It's your boy Yancymane, I'm out.